Hello again, Navdi.
Fastest route found to Early Bird Cafe.
You and me, we're busy people. And being busy means checking your phone, even when you're not supposed to. Even when you're on the road. But now there's Navdi. Hold on, I gotta get this. Casey, talk to me.
Hey Adam, quick reminder. First thing today is that coffee with Connie and Greg at the Early Bird.
Already on my way. See, what's brilliant about Navdi is that...
Faster route found, automatically rerouting to save 10 minutes.
Perfect. Never been this way before. Gonna switch to Navdi Dash. See, what's so brilliant about Navdi is its display is focused in the distance, so your eyes are never off the road. It's also 40 times brighter than your smartphone, and it dims automatically, so it's easy to see day or night. In fact, it works... Sorry, I gotta take this one too.
Greg and I actually want to do Roy's Cafe out on 62, smiley face.
Oh, awesome. Luckily, Roy's is one of my favorites. Navdi uses Google Maps and built-in offline maps, so you'll never get lost, like out here in the desert. And it's connected to your car, which means that...
Low on gas. Rerouting to nearest gas station.
Text Connie, be there in 15.
You have arrived.
Thanks, Navdi. See you soon.
Going places? Then go with the Koomus Pro-M, the magnetic smartphone car mount that holds your phone in place wherever you go. It fits on your any type of air conditioning vents. Use your phone as GPS and enjoy 360-degree rotation. Use it as a desktop mount at home or on the job. Enjoy an easy installation every time you drive. Charge your phone while you drive. Play your favorite music and enjoy your tunes. Stay safe with a hands-free operation, drop prevention, and the convenience of 360-degree rotation. Choose your favorite Pro-M air vent, CD slot, and dashboard. Discover new ways. Koomus.
The Maxsa Park Right parking mat signals you to stop your car before hitting walls, bikes, mowers, or trash cans in your garage. The parking mat is easy to install. Position the mat at your ideal parking spot. Then use the included heavy-duty tape to keep the mat in place park after park. The parking mat helps you perfectly park any type of vehicle, whether it is a car, SUV, van, light truck, or even a golf cart or RV. You'll park in the perfect spot. Now you can use your remaining garage space for storage and organization. After you hit the first hump, the second larger hump signals you to stop. You'll know you are parked right. Use the Park Right parking mat to get the most out of your garage while protecting your car and belongings from parking mishaps. Available in black, red, and yellow.